Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post 20 photos on Instagram. For that, launch your Instagram mobile application and select that particular account on which you want to post 20 photos at once. After that, tap on the plus icon that would be in the middle of your screen, and then it will ask you to access the permission of audios and videos. So you just have to simply allow the permissions, and after that it will show you your post. So over here you will be able to see all of the images that you have in your account. So first tap on select multiples, and after that you just have to simply select the photos one by one. So you can select up to 20 and you are done. So now you can tap on the next icon in order to post these 20 photos on your profile, and this is how you can basically do it. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like. If you have any questions, you can comment that down in the comment section, and consider subscribing to this channel as well. Thanks for watching.